Welcome back to Curious Scan. Quick question, have you secured your ChatGPT teacher account yet? If not, click the I button right now and watch that video first. But today we are taking it a step further. I'm going to show you how to get Lovable AI for teachers completely for free. This is a massive offer coming directly from Imagi Edu, Lovable, and OpenAI. Let's get started. First, head down to the description, copy the exclusive link I've provided, and paste it into your browser. You will see the Educator login screen. Click on Register. Go ahead and fill in your name, email, password, and country. For the school name, you can enter any generic name. Accept the terms, enter the OTP sent to your email, and you're in. Once signed up, the Hours of AI interface will open. Click on Request Teacher Access. Instantly, in literally 1 second, the system will generate a unique username and password for you. Now, open the Lovable AI website. Copy the username and password we just generated and paste them one by one to log in. Let's verify the account. As you can see right here, the Lovable Lite Plan is fully active. And here is a bonus feature: you can create your own virtual class. Just give it a name, add some student names, and the system will generate login details for every single student that you can share. This offer is going to expire very soon, so go grab it immediately. Enjoy the free access, and remember, subscribe to Curious Scan for the best AI hacks. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.